FOSSiBOT, a new fast-growing Chinese tech company, just announced its newest creation, the rugged tablet DT1. This is the first robust tablet with a stunning 10.4-inch 2K high-definition display, an excellent 40-megapixel camera, a large 11,000 mAh battery, and never-before-seen 4-box speaker system, and much more. Check out this FOSSiBOT DT1 rugged tablet video review. Let's not forget to tell you how the official website of FOSSiBOT from May 22 to June 12, a prize draw will be held. 2 randomly selected winners will receive this tablet for free. Therefore, the link is below this video, be sure to visit it and maybe you will become the owner of this such DT1 tablet for free. Now let's start with unboxing and see what's inside this orange box. This is our tablet, we will put it aside for a bit. What else do we have here? Some paperwork such as DT1 user manual, warranty card and a SIM pin. There is a USB Type-C cable for charging. And finally the 80-watt fast charger. That was contents of this package. Now let's move to our tablet. The DT1 looks like a rubberized tablet should look. Brutal, massive and very reliable. At first it seems there is a protective case on the back of the device, but no, it is a fixed elements of the case. As for the level of protection, here we have not only the classic IP68 but also protection according to the IP69K standard and American military standard MIL-STD 810H, which increase resistance to mechanical damage. The main color of the tablet is black, but it has colorized decorative elements of the back and the sides, which can be green, as in our review, orange or gray. The case is plastic, the surface and the corners are slightly rubberized, and there is also the mesh texture that provides a great grip in the hand. The weight is only 500 grams, which is really great for such a large rugged tablet, among the best in the class. As for the quality of materials and assembly, everything is at a high level. The design of the back cover has something of a cyberpunk look. It looks like a stylized chip with three-dimensional and sometimes textured elements. The brand logo is located in the middle of the lid. The top right of the back of the tablet sports a 40-megapixel camera with a real dual LED flashes. The camera models themselves are large and modern looking, a reminder of some of the Xiaomi models, which is commendable because it really looks nice. On the top we have rubberized comfortable buttons for volume and the power button. On the side under the rubber seal we find the USB Type-C port for charging, and next to it is a SIM tray and the micro SD card slot that you can be upgraded up to 1 TB. You can load 2 SIMs or the 1 SIM and the micro SD card. It all depends on what suits you. And now we find something that makes this tablet unique. The DT1 has 4 built speakers to increase the sense of space on the vertical scale on immersive yourself for powerful audio experience, or the tablets with double built-in speakers cannot do the same sound effect. Take my word for it, these 4 speakers ensure that you will never miss a beat, whether you are listening to music, watching videos or engaging in a conference call, and all that is surrounding sound that comes out of these 4 speakers. That's really great. From the front we have something more unique. This is the first rugged tablet with a 2K display. The tablet comes with a stunning 10.4-inch 2K high-definition screen with 60 million colors and 400 nits, 1200 by 2000 pixel resolution in relatively thin frames, providing you a more clear visual and a built screen using experience in breathtaking detail. With this superior display you can enjoy all your favorite content, from movies and video games to detailed graphics. The high screen-to-body ratio up to 94% elevates the visual experience to the next level. Believe me, the screen is a pleasure for your eyes. In the middle of the screen we find the excellent 60-megapixel selfie camera capable of high-quality video calls and with the face unlock function of the screen. In addition, the screen read ratio can read large text very well. The display is protected against scratches and damage through durable Corning glass protection. It's excellent for viewing content even on sunny days. Let's go back for a moment and look at the camera setup. I must mention that the FOSSiBOT DT1 is the first rugged tablet carrying 40 megapixel plus 60 megapixel cameras, so another important feature of this tablet is the photographic performance. The tablet sports 40 megapixel Samsung sensor with PDF support with the dual LED flashes. Comparing with the tablets currently on the market, DT1 offers you excellent shooting experience. This is the best camera among rugged tablets. To get a feel for the camera performance, we decided to walk around the neighborhood and try out the camera capabilities. Check out sample photos and videos taken using the DT1. Based on these samples, I'm safe to say that the FOSSiBOT DT1 camera is almost a flagship rated camera, ideal for capturing memories and sharing them on social media. It's currently the only rugged tablet that can offer such camera results. Okay, let's talk a little about the hardware of this tablet. The FOSSiBOT DT1 rugged tablet is the first rugged tablet that features a generous 8GB of RAM and 256GB of RAM on the current market. The largest memory for rugged tablets are 8GB of RAM plus 128GB, but this is not all. The RAM memory can also be expanded virtually so that we have a total of 16GB of RAM. And now we can talk about impressive performance with such hardware, so you can say goodbye to lag and storage limitations. DT1 provides users the high processing speed and ample storage space. Thanks to 1TB expanded memory, you can store all your imported data, media files and multimedia content. The DT1 is based on the MediaTek MT8788 an octa-core chipset manufactured in a 12nm process, ensures a solid system performance. If you like playing games, you will enjoy the popular titles in the Google Play Store in their medium settings, and there is almost no game that this device can run. You will be able to play the latest gaming titles without problems, but not only the most demanding ones. With an economical chipset and a long-lasting huge 11,000 mAh battery will certainly help you for many hours of gaming without charging. The DT1 runs on the latest Android 13 OS and comes with all these new Google fancy applications and options that new Android brings, and has some very useful like pre-installed applications such as FM radio or Toolbag, which can provide to be very essential in certain field situations. DT1 has a dual SIM slot that supports a dual 4G network smoothly and freely switch between work and life. 2.4 plus 5 GHz dual Wi-Fi provides a lightning-quick network experience, supports the major international navigation systems GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and can accurately direct you to any place you are. Compared with other rugged tablets on the current market, the biggest advantage of the DT1 is that it offers the best hardware and unparalleled features which can set it apart from the other similar tablets on the market. The DT1 is a good option for those looking for affordable and rugged tablet for work in the field. First of all, the tablet impresses with its level of protection against water and dust, IP68, IP69K as the military standard mil-STD 810H. The device is not afraid of falls, liquids or getting into the sand, so you can take it with you on a vacation, especially if you like outdoor activities. DT1 tablet is the first rugged tablet that features a generous 8GB of RAM and 256GB of RAM with the virtual possibility of RAM expansion up to 16GB. Another important feature of DT1 is the photographic performance. With the Samsung 48MP main camera, the device has no competition. The tablet also comes with a stunning Tempo 4-inch 2K high-definition screen with the 1200 by 2000 resolution, providing you a clear visual and better screen using experience with breathtaking details. Let's not forget the unique 4 built-in speakers that provides an incredible powerful virtual audio experience. All of these features will be the reason you choose the DT1. Don't miss the chance to own this groundbreaking device. FOSSiBOT DT1 is estimated to start its world premiere from June 12 to June 18th. Please stay tuned on the FOSSiBOT official store on AliExpress for more information on pricing and availability. Company is organizing a giveaway campaign from May 22nd to June 12 on the FOSSiBOT official website. 2 winners will be chosen randomly to get the DT1 rugged tablet. Find the opportunity to win your own tablet, and don't forget to visit the official links below this video. That's all for today. See you soon with a new interesting review. Stay tuned.